Alright, so now that I got my thermostat back in, the cap back on, I'm gonna put the radiator backing plate and the fan back on. So before I did that, I already took off the old O-ring here, and I have a new O-ring. Also, I took off the O-ring on here, and I have a new one for that as well. So what's on there? Shoot, it's not sticking very well. I think I need to get some grease or something in. Let's see. See if my spit could my saliva could hold this. You know. Oh. Oh, wait. God dang it. Oh, the O-ring's not completely flat. It was actually kind of distorted a little bit. I guess it was in the package. It wasn't flat in the package. So I'm gonna put that on first. This one I could put on later. So be mindful of this right here, that it's in place. I cleaned up the other side, the mating surface. Let me try slipping this in first, and being mindful of that O-ring. Okay, I clear the bottom piece here. I think that's the hardest thing to clear. Once that's clear, I'm good there. Now I have my my fan. Let's slip that through. Let's see from the back. Again, be mindful of that O-ring. So I'm just gonna kind of leave that fan hovering there, and I'm gonna stick this into where those dowel pins were. Just remember, this thing has dowel pins on them. I forget how many, but I didn't even look at it. I actually didn't even look at that dowel pins. I didn't even touch it, so it should be okay. Again, I'm gonna check where my O-ring is. It looks like it's still good. Looks like it's still in place. It's still in place. Oh, come on! I feel something's hung up. Let's see what's hung up. One of the dowel pins might be hung up. Dang it, something's hung up. Maybe the fan's hung up. Let's see. My O-ring's still in place. Oops, it's kind of smoothed a little bit. Let me just push it back in a little bit. Okay. Something's hanging this up. It's not wanting to go in nice and smooth. Let's see. Let's find where those dowel pins are. Maybe it's my fan that's hung up. Well, the fan's in the proper position. Let's see. Dang it. What are those dowel pins? Okay, oh, I found one. Found one. I need to find another. Oh, there it goes. I got it. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I think I got it. So the fan's still hovering there, so that's fine. So hopefully my O-ring is okay. Let me another flashlight point into the fill hole and see if the O-ring is dangling or not. Nope, I don't see the O-ring anywhere. So that means it's in place, I believe. Okay, so everything's good. Let's see, where are the bolts for it now? Which one were they? Oh yeah, the 5 bolts. 2 longs. Another long over here by the oil fill. And the 2 short on the bottom. Short one. Where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? There it is. So remove those 5 bolts. Get those in there. Bottom one here needs a box wrench. This will probably help with the box wrench as well. The top, then the fill hole. Okay, now we start tightening it up. Alright, so those 5 bolts, now we need to attach the fan. Again, if you don't have an impact wrench, you need to hold the crank so it doesn't spin. Otherwise, I think it would spin if you try to torque down these bolts. Good thing for me is I have a impact wrench. Let's see if, yeah, see, so I'm trying to tighten the spins, so that's not going to work, right? So I'm going to use my impact wrench. Shouldn't be too much pressure, so be careful. I have it, the cool thing about my impact wrench is that it has 3 power settings. I put it on the lowest power setting, which is about 20 foot-pounds. Oops. That should be fine for this size bolts. Yeah, I'm good there. Let's see. So that's good. Okay. I'm gonna put it on the radio, but I'm gonna stop this video and make another one.